Welcome to this explainer. Let's be real for a second. Nobody actually likes paying utility bills. It's that monthly chore we all kind of dread, right? But today, we're going to completely change how you handle your CPS Energy bill. If you are tired of the old school paper chase and want to make your life a whole lot easier, you are in exactly the right place.
I mean, ask yourself, are you absolutely exhausted from licking envelopes, hunting down stamps, and then totally panicking when you realize you might get hit with a stressful late fee? We've all been there, and it's a massive hassle. But here's the good news. CPS Energy actually has this incredibly powerful digital portal called Manage My Account, or MMA for short. It's basically your ultimate time-saving tool designed to help you take total control of your utility bills right from your computer or smartphone. So here's our game plan for today's digital tour. 1. Ditch the paper bills. 2. Setting up your account. 3. Making an online payment. 4. Going mobile with the app. And 5. Support and troubleshooting. Let's jump right in.
Section 1. Ditch the paper bills. Okay, so why make this switch? Honestly, going digital is a massive upgrade. First off, you get instant payment confirmation. You hit pay and boom, you know immediately that CPS Energy actually received it. No more agonizing over whether your check got lost in the mail. Second, you completely eliminate the need for buying stamps or envelopes. Third, your data is locked down tight with secure data encryption. And finally, it's just a solid eco-friendly choice. By cutting out the paper clutter, you're doing a really important part for the environment. Win-win, right?
Moving on to Section 2. Setting up your account.
Now, before you sit down at your computer to register, you're going to want to grab a few things. It's like a mini scavenger hunt, but way easier. First, grab your CPS Energy account number. You can easily find this on any of your old paper bills. Second, you'll need your exact service address. And third, to verify you are actually you and to keep everything super secure, you'll need either your driver's license number or your social security number. Once you've got those three things in hand, you're ready to roll.
Getting registered is just 3 simple steps. Step 1, pull up your web browser, head over to cpsenergy.com and click the Enroll link. It's usually hanging out right under the login box. Step 2, plug in those account and ID details we just gathered, throw in your email address, and pick a strong password. Step 3, keep an eye on your inbox. On the exact day your service is scheduled to activate, CPS Energy is going to send you an email. You just have to click the Activate Manage My Account service link in that email to finalize the whole shebang. It's a super quick, painless process.
Section 3. Making your online payment.
So once you log into Manage My Account, you land on your central dashboard. And let me tell you, the convenience here is literally unmatched. You get this crystal clear, easy-to-read overview right on your screen. You can check your current balance so you know exactly what's due, pull up past bills if you need to double-check something from last month, and look at your entire payment history, all in one centralized hub.
Now here's where registering actually keeps money in your wallet. Yes, CPS Energy does let you make a quick one-time guest payment just using your account number and address. But if you do it that way, you get hit with a $2.35 vendor processing fee. Ouch. Instead, take the time to log into your Manage My Account portal and pay using your checking or savings account via an ACH transfer. If you do that, the payment is absolutely free. Think about that. Over a year, dodging that fee is for sure the smart money move.
And if you want to build on that convenience, let's talk about autopay. If you truly never want to see a late fee again, this is your best friend. Autopay is exactly what it sounds like. It's a feature that automatically deducts your monthly utility bill from your linked bank account on roughly the same day every single month. You can still review your statement online before the money is actually withdrawn, making it the perfect set-it-and-forget-it solution. No more remembering due dates.
But hey, Manage My Account isn't just about handing over money. It's actually a pretty powerful tool for managing your overall energy strategy. You can use the portal to track your energy usage patterns over time, which is huge for spotting spikes and finding ways to conserve. You can also sign up for the Budget Payment Plan, or BPP, which levels out your monthly payments so you completely avoid those huge spikes during hot Texas summers or cold winter storms. And finally, you can discover rebates through the Sustainable Tomorrow Energy Plan, or STEP, which can literally put money back in your pocket for making energy-efficient upgrades to your home.
Let's head into Section 4. Going mobile with the app.
Because we live on our phones, right? CPS Energy offers an official mobile app for both iOS and Android devices, putting all the power of that web portal right into your pocket. You can pay your bill seamlessly, just like you would on a computer. You can keep an eye on your energy usage visually, but what makes the app truly essential is how it handles emergencies. You can report power outages instantly and opt in to receive really important push alerts for planned outages, high usage warnings, or payment reminders. Honestly, just knowing what's going on during an outage makes the wait a lot less frustrating.
Finally, Section 5, Support and Troubleshooting.
Let's tackle the absolute most common and, frankly, most annoying issue in the digital world: getting locked out of your account. You sit down to pay your bill, and you just cannot remember if you used a capital letter or a number in your password. Well, don't panic.
Recovering your access is incredibly quick and painless. Step 1, right there on the login screen, just click Forgot Username/Password. Step 2, the system will ask you to enter either your CPS Energy customer number or your current username. Step 3, once you submit that, just follow the secure prompts emailed directly to you to reset your credentials. You'll be back in your account in minutes.
Now, I know it's totally normal to have some concerns about security when making online payments, but rest assured, CPS Energy takes this very seriously. Whether you're setting up autopay or just doing a quick one-time transaction, the platform uses robust, top-tier encryption. This ensures your financial information, your bank routing numbers, and your personal data remain strictly protected from any unauthorized access.
But hey, what if a payment fails or you have a super complicated billing issue that the website just can't solve? Sometimes you literally just need to talk to a human. So here are the exact numbers you need. For residential billing or service questions, call 210-353-2222. If you're a business customer, you'll call 210-353-3333. And listen, if you have an actual electric or gas emergency, like a downed wire or smelling gas, immediately call 210-353-HELP. That's 4357. Oh, and a quick pro tip, you can actually use the website to schedule a callback if you really don't want to wait on hold.
All right, as we wrap up this explainer, just a quick professional reminder. While we've made every effort to give you the most accurate and up-to-date information today, digital platforms do get updated. Always verify details directly with CPS Energy, as specific processes or website features might shift over time. But the really big takeaway today? Don't let bill paying be a chore. Head over to cpsenergy.com, get that online account set up, and reclaim your time. Seriously, are you going to keep licking envelopes, or are you ready to take total control of your energy today? Thanks so much for joining us on this explainer, and we will see you next time.